Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very pretty and contains a very beautiful floral hand embroidery design ideas. All of these design ideas are very beautiful. They are 3D hand embroidery ideas along with a very stylish and beautiful collection of modern hand embroidery design patterns. Yes friends, you can use this mask for dust protection, for pollution, or different sorts of sun damage, skincare problems, pollen allergy, dust allergy, and the first and the foremost and the most important thing to stay protected from COVID-19 coronavirus. And not only this friends, these are very easy and beautiful designer style patterns of hand embroidery face masks, and every hand embroidery artist and even hand embroidery beginner can try them, and he or she could easily make these whole patterns with a focused attention of only 30 to 45 minutes. So I would suggest you to kindly do try these patterns and stay protected and keep yourself protected and also your loved ones around you, and have a habit of wearing masks while going out, rather for the sake of work or for some basic necessities or for the sake of some entertainment or wandering for some mood or environment change. So all of these masks are soft, lightweight, entirely made on soft cotton, linen, and a soft blended fabric that you can easily wear throughout your whole day without any sort of allergic reactions or skin allergy problems. And not only this, friends, if you want to get more stylish, trendy, and latest design ideas related to women fashion like dress designing, footwear, handmade stuff, hand knitted, hand art like crochet designing, fabric painting, mirror work, gota work, and much more related to different traditional regions of the world like traditional designer, Indian wear, Pakistani wear, Asian dresses, Turkish dresses, Arabic dresses, Western style dress designing, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and by subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Now I'm giving you an idea that how you can match your face mask along with your outfits as well, because when you will match your face mask with your outfits, your delicacy and extremely classy, fashionable, chic look would be maintained at the same time. So I hope that you have found your best designs as per your choices and interests, and you will make these patterns if you are a hand embroidery lover or you know how to make hand embroidery patterns, or if you don't know out of, then kindly do save the designs that you like the most and show it to a nearby embroidery professional. So it was all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and hope to see you soon back on my channel in a new video with a new content. Thank you so much for watching.